Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an affordable way to capture stunning aerial footage, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the best 4K camera drones in 2026, featuring our top 5 budget drones tested for video quality, flight performance, battery life, and overall value. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or drone enthusiast, these picks deliver impressive 4K footage without breaking the bank. Let's take off and find the perfect drone for your next adventure. Helicopter camera with flash fire.
On number 1 is the DJI Inspire 3 Professional Cinema Drone Combo. Is a flagship aerial filmmaking platform engineered for professional cinematographers, production studios, and commercial filmmakers who demand the highest level of image quality and flight precision. Equipped with the ZenMuse X9 8K Air full-frame gimbal camera, it can capture breathtaking 8K Cinema DNG and Apple ProRes RAW video, delivering exceptional detail, dynamic range, and color fidelity suitable for feature films, documentaries, television productions, and high-end advertising campaigns. The drone's advanced imaging system provides outstanding low-light performance and cinematic depth, allowing creators to achieve footage that rivals dedicated ground-based cinema cameras. Built around a redesigned airframe, the Inspire 3 incorporates RTK positioning technology for centimeter-level accuracy, enabling repeatable flight paths and highly precise camera movements. It features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, intelligent autonomous flight modes, and dual battery redundancy for enhanced safety and reliability during complex shoots. The included RC Plus controller offers professional-grade controls and a bright display for confident operation in various environments. This combo package comes with 6 TB51 intelligent batteries, a 1 TB Prost, charging accessories, and a durable trolley case, ensuring filmmakers have everything needed for extended production sessions. In real-world use, the Inspire 3 excels at capturing smooth, stable, and cinematic aerial footage while offering advanced tools such as Waypoint Pro, Spotlight Pro, and dual-operator functionality for collaborative shooting. Its powerful propulsion system delivers impressive speed, stability, and responsiveness, even in challenging conditions. However, the drone's professional capabilities come with a substantial investment, and its size, complexity, and workflow requirements make it best suited for experienced operators rather than hobbyists. Battery management, storage needs, and post-production demands are also significantly greater than those associated with consumer drones. Pros include exceptional 8K full-frame image quality, industry-leading cinematic recording formats, precise RTK navigation, advanced autonomous flight features, professional-grade build quality, and a complete production-ready package. While cons include a very high price, steep learning curve, large transport footprint, and complex post-production requirements. Overall, the DJI Inspire 3 stands as one of the most advanced cinema drones available, delivering world-class aerial imaging capabilities for professional filmmaking and commercial production environments. On number 2 is the DJI Neo 2 Drone Only, is an ultra-portable, beginner-friendly 4K camera drone designed for travelers, vloggers, hikers, cyclists, and content creators who want an easy way to capture aerial footage without carrying a traditional drone setup. Weighing only about 151 g, it features palm takeoff and landing, gesture control, active track subject tracking, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and built-in propeller guards, making it one of the safest and easiest drones for new pilots to use. The drone is equipped with a 12.5-inch CMOS sensor, capable of recording 4K video up to 60 fps and slow-motion footage up to 4K 100 fps, while its upgraded tracking system can smoothly follow people during activities such as walking, running, hiking, and cycling. DJI also includes 49 GB of internal storage, allowing users to record video without immediately needing additional storage accessories. In real-world use, the Neo 2 excels as a selfie and follow-me drone, offering a simple flying experience through onboard controls, a smartphone, gesture commands, or optional controllers. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere, and the omnidirectional obstacle sensing combined with LiDAR-assisted detection helps improve flight safety compared to many entry-level drones. Video quality is impressive for such a small drone, and active track performs smoothly for most outdoor activities. However, the small sensor cannot match the image quality of larger drones like the DJI Mini, Air, or Mavic series, and flight time is limited to around 19 minutes per battery. Serious drone enthusiasts may also find the drone-only package restrictive compared to Fly More bundles that include extra batteries and controllers. Pros include extremely lightweight and portable design, easy palm takeoff and landing, reliable active track subject tracking, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 4K 60 FPS video recording, built-in storage, beginner-friendly operation, and excellent travel convenience. While cons include limited flight time, smaller image sensor than premium drones, reduced performance in strong winds, no included controller in the drone-only package, and image quality that cannot fully match larger and more expensive DJI models. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 is an excellent compact drone for casual, creators, travelers, and beginners who want a simple, safe, and highly portable aerial camera for everyday adventures and social media content. On number 3 is the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with RC2 is one of the most advanced compact drones available, combining a 1-inch 50MP CMOS sensor, intelligent flight features, and an extensive accessory package that makes it ideal for travel creators, aerial photographers, and enthusiasts who want near-professional performance in a highly portable form factor. The larger sensor significantly improves image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance compared to earlier mini-series drones, while support for 4K HDR video, 4K 120 FPS slow motion, 10-bit D-Log-M recording, and vertical shooting provides excellent creative flexibility. The upgraded gimbal offers expanded movement for more cinematic camera angles. And the RC2 controller eliminates the need to connect a smartphone before every flight. In real-world use, the Mini 5 Pro stands out for its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, Active Track 360 subject tracking, improved low-light obstacle avoidance, and strong wind resistance, making it easier and safer to fly than many compact drones. The Fly More Combo Plus version includes 3 batteries, a charging hub, spare propellers, and carrying accessories, allowing significantly longer shooting sessions without interruption. Many owners consider the Fly More package worthwhile because the extra batteries and ARC-C2 controller are much more economical when purchased as part of the bundle rather than separately. The main trade-off is cost. This bundle is considerably more expensive than entry-level drones, and the Plus batteries may push the aircraft above certain weight thresholds in some regions, potentially affecting registration requirements depending on local regulations. Some pilots also note that the advanced features may be more than casual users need if they only fly occasionally. Pros include excellent 1-inch sensor image quality, strong low-light performance, 4K HDR and 4K 120 video, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, Active Track 360, RC2 controller with built-in screen, 3 included batteries, long flight times, and highly portable foldable design. While cons include premium pricing, potential registration considerations with Plus batteries in some regions, and capabilities that may exceed the needs of casual beginners. Overall, if your goal is to get a drone that you are unlikely to outgrow for years, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is an outstanding choice and one of the strongest all-around drone packages currently available. On number 4 is the DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight and beginner-friendly 4K camera drone that offers an excellent balance of portability, image quality, and ease of use, making it one of the best choices for first-time drone pilots and travel enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it is compact enough to fit into a small bag, while still delivering impressive aerial photography and videography capabilities. The drone features a 11.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing detailed 48MP photos and crisp 4K HDR video, providing vibrant colors and strong dynamic range for landscapes, travel content, and social media creation. One of its standout features is true vertical shooting, which allows users to capture vertical video directly from the camera for platforms such as Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without significant cropping. The Mini 3 offers up to 38 minutes of flight time, which is excellent for its size, and its 10 km video transmission range provides a stable and reliable connection for long-distance flights. GPS-assisted features such as auto return to home, precise hovering, and intelligent flight modes make flying easier and safer for beginners. In real-world use, the drone is easy to set up, simple to control, and capable of producing footage that looks far more professional than its compact size would suggest. However, unlike DJI's more advanced Mini Pro models, it lacks full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, meaning pilots must remain more aware of their surroundings during flight. Pros include excellent 4K video quality, long battery life, lightweight and portable design, beginner-friendly controls, vertical shooting support, reliable GPS features, and strong overall value, while cons include limited obstacle sensing compared to higher-end models, reduced performance in strong winds versus larger drones, and fewer advanced tracking features than premium DJI offerings. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 is an outstanding entry-level to mid-range drone that delivers impressive image quality, long flight times, and an easy flying experience, making it a fantastic option for travelers, hobbyists, and content creators looking to capture stunning aerial footage without the complexity or cost of professional drone systems. On number 5 is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, DJI RC, is a premium prosumer drone that delivers professional-level aerial imaging while remaining more affordable than the full Mavic 3 dual-camera models. At its core is a 4.3-inch Hasselblad CMOS sensor, which produces exceptional image quality with outstanding dynamic range, natural color reproduction, and excellent low-light performance. The camera can capture detailed 20MP photos and stunning 5.1K video, making it ideal for professional photography, filmmaking, real estate, travel content, and commercial work. DJI's renowned Hasselblad color science helps produce accurate and cinematic footage directly from the camera, reducing the need for extensive color grading in post-production. The included DJI RC controller features a built-in display, eliminating the need to connect a smartphone and providing a more convenient flying experience. In real-world use, the Mavic 3 Classic stands out for its combination of image quality, flight performance, and intelligent safety features. It offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, allowing pilots to capture more footage per battery than most competing drones. The drone's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system provides comprehensive protection by detecting obstacles in all directions, while advanced return to home intelligently calculates safer routes back to the takeoff point. Its long-range video transmission system delivers a stable HD feed over considerable distances, making it suitable for professional projects and large outdoor environments. The aircraft also handles wind exceptionally well compared to smaller drones such as the Mini series, providing smoother footage and greater confidence during flight. Pros include outstanding Hasselblad image quality, large 4.3-inch sensor, beautiful 5.1K video recording, excellent low-light performance, long 46-minute flight time, comprehensive omnidirectional obstacle sensing, intelligent safety features, premium build quality, and the convenience of the DJI RC controller, while cons include a significantly higher price than entry-level drones. Larger size and weight that reduce portability, fewer camera options than the dual-camera Mavic 3 Pro, and capabilities that may be excessive for casual users or beginners. Overall, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is one of the best all-around camera drones available, offering a near-professional aerial photography and videography experience with exceptional image quality, long endurance, and advanced flight safety features, making it an excellent choice for serious enthusiasts and professional creators alike. On number 6 is the DJI Air 3S N3, is a premium dual-camera drone designed for photographers, videographers, travelers, and content creators who want near-professional image quality without stepping up to the larger and more expensive Mavic series. Its standout feature is the dual-camera system, consisting of a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera for stunning landscapes and cinematic aerial shots, along with a telephoto camera that provides additional creative flexibility for portraits, compression effects, and distant subjects. The drone can record 4K 60 FPS HDR video and captures footage with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, producing rich colors, excellent highlight retention, and impressive shadow detail even in challenging lighting conditions. The larger sensor significantly improves low-light performance compared to many mid-range drones, making it suitable for sunrise, sunset, and evening shooting. In real-world use, the Air 3S delivers an outstanding balance of image quality, intelligent flight features, and portability. It offers up to 45 minutes of flight time, allowing pilots to stay in the air longer and capture more footage on a single battery. The drone also features advanced obstacle sensing and intelligent flight assistance, helping improve safety and confidence during complex flights. DJI's long-range transmission technology provides a reliable live video feed at distances of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, ensuring stable control and image transmission. The included RC N3 controller pairs with a smartphone for flight monitoring and control, making the package more affordable than versions with integrated screen controllers. Pros include excellent image quality from the 1-inch sensor, versatile dual camera system, impressive 4K HDR video performance, strong low-light capability, long 45-minute flight time, advanced obstacle sensing, reliable long-range transmission, and a portable, foldable design. While cons include a higher price than entry-level drones, the requirement to use a smartphone with the Arc N3 controller, larger size than the Mini series, and features that may exceed the needs of casual beginners. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is an exceptional, all-around drone that combines professional-level imaging, intelligent flight technology, and impressive endurance, making it one of the best choices for enthusiasts and creators seeking premium aerial photography and videography capabilities without moving into the flagship cinema drone category.